A lot of people out there are struggling with their energy levels along with a range of tummy troubles. Their gut feeling is that something with their gastrointestinal health is off and they're almost always right. So in this video, I want to share 5 steps to restoring a healthy, happy gut. When it comes to modern living, everyone these days are in a rush and they're totally stressed out. They're eating fast food because they don't have time to cook, or perhaps they don't know how. They aren't getting the right amount of sleep or good quality sleep, and many people are nutritionally deficient and they don't even know it. They may also be relying on high levels of caffeine to get their day started and multiple glasses of wine to wind down at the end of the night. All of these can do a number on gut health. While many people think that their gut symptoms or energy drain is from stress, what they don't know is that it's likely compromised gut health. So this is why in my practice, I mentor patients to improve their gut health, as it impacts so many areas of their overall health, from energy to weight gain and keeping chronic illnesses at bay. The number one thing I tell patients is to try to keep to unprocessed foods as much as possible. There's so many things in processed foods that can trash gut health, from sugar to artificial colorings, flavorings, and preservatives. Eating processed foods also robs the body of vitamins and minerals. Think of these foods as double whammy foods. They don't replenish nutrients and they take away even more nutrients from the body. The second step I share is how to boost friendly flora in the gut. So many people have imbalanced flora, too many bad gut bugs versus good gut bugs. This impacts immune function, digestion, skin and joint health, and so much more. So it's important to know how to properly seed helpful flora in the gut. Third, the way people eat is as important as what they eat. Eating on the run is a definite no-no, and it can trigger stress hormones. A lot of people want to avoid gas and bloating, but they don't give their stomach a fighting chance because they don't chew their food properly. Fourth, sleep has become a luxury for some people, and that can really impact how well they function and digest throughout the day. Not having enough sleep can also impact hunger hormones and disrupt insulin levels as well. Lastly, managing stress is a huge part of how well the gut functions. When stress hormones like cortisol are high and stay at high levels, as is the case with many people, this can literally shut down digestion because the body goes into fight or flight mode and takes blood and oxygen away from the digestive system. Everybody's eating in a hurry. This can disrupt the vagus nerve as it causes release of stress hormones and stops your digestive juices flowing as they should. In my practice, I guide patients on how to work on all these areas so they can restore gut health and also balance their lives and overall health. We find that once they're able to restore gut function, a lot of their energy issues, weight loss struggles, and gut symptoms simply vanish. To go deeper on the topic of gut health, register for my free mini course, the Gut Healing Series. Simply click the link next to this video.